You're in the lead. Double. The bigger they are. And that's a triple. You're on a roll. That's a double. The bigger they are. You're halfway to victory.